Yeah, hi, my name is Bill Chelik, and I'm head of the CDMO business for Hetero in the United States.
I'm Jared Patzner. I am a Director of Business Development for our CDMO services.
Yeah, so Hetero are a top tier CDMO based out of India, and we're known for our capacities and our capabilities, servicing the brand and innovative pharma segment, uh, both for small molecule, drug substance, and for drug product as well. Yeah, we had a very good few days here. We met a lot of very good clients, large pharma and biotech, and really helped to broaden our network throughout the industry. So we're really satisfied with how things went this week. Yeah, Jared.
Yeah, it was great to connect with people that we worked with in the past, as well as some prospective customers that we're looking to grow relationships with. It was a great experience this week.